Hello, I am Dipti Bhatt, Research Associate at Better Buying. If you have participated in any of our Better Buying annual rating cycle, you might have received my emails inviting you to submit ratings or responding to your queries. Today, I would like to share a summary of the key findings from the 2020 Better Buying Index report. This rating cycle, a total of 22 buyer companies engaged with Better Buying and invited over 2,000 suppliers to anonymously rate their performance. Data were collected between October 1st and December 15, 2019, during which period a total of 1,075 ratings were submitted for Better Buying subscribers, with an average response rate of 43.5%. Better Buying examined year-over-year improvements for 10 of the participating companies to identify progress and trends. While there have been notable steps taken in each area, progress is ongoing and must be prioritized by all brands in order to continuously improve supply chain resiliency. Next, I will share some key findings. Data collected in 2019 showed 5 of the 10 companies made improvements to their planning and forecasting practices from 2018, which provided suppliers with the improved visibility needed to plan production responsibly and ensure ongoing employment of workers. 8 of the 10 companies had fewer suppliers left with unutilized capacity due to forecasting inaccuracies, and 6 of the 10 had fewer suppliers left with excess materials. Half of the companies improved their cost and cost negotiation practices by increasing the percent of suppliers reporting all orders were priced to cover the costs of compliant production. 8 of the 10 companies improved by increasing their use of high-pressure cost negotiation strategies. Improved costing is critical not only for suppliers' business survival, but also for ensuring safe conditions for workers, protecting them from excessively low wages, unauthorized subcontracting, informal employment, and other precarious or abusive situations. At least half of the 10 companies made notable improvements in payment and terms practices by paying more suppliers on time and in full, which is critical for suppliers' cash flow and ability to pursue all aspects of sustainability and has been highlighted to a new degree during this pandemic. 4 companies decreased their late payments by an average of 10 days, an improvement with direct links to suppliers' ability to make wage payments to workers. You can view the full report by clicking on this link. Thank you for your time.